Okay, so you've got your helmet and you've put your speakers in it, you got your nice headset on, and it sounds like crap. This is how you can fix that.
First of all, you've got your little hole, your Velcro bit, your headphones. Put the padding in. This padding pushes it out up to your ear so it's hard up against your ear. Put as much padding in as you can without it getting in the way. Usually once you fit it, some of the air will, the fabric will cover it so it slides on a lot nicer when you've actually got it on, so it can stick out quite a bit before it becomes uncomfortable. That's usually pretty fine. Once you've got your helmet on, try moving it. Push it down a little bit, push it up a little bit, push it to the back, push it to the side. Work with one ear each time and work out what's louder. And you can work out, if you push it to the back a little bit more, maybe your head and it gets quieter, and if you push it to the front it gets louder. You need to move that speaker just a little bit further forward or back. You can work out exactly where to place that speaker. Once you get the perfect position, it'll be right over your ear, and you may find them odd at one point. Like at one point I had my right ear was really, really loud and my left ear was really, really quiet. Just move them to position. When they are right over your ear and push up against your ear, they will sound amazing. You can move this around quite a bit. I can move the pad offset that, I can offset it in here. So I find, because I've got quite small ears and they're quite far forward on my head, I keep mine quite far forward. Somewhat, if I can get it on an angle facing back, works perfectly for me.